Alright, what's up guys? What's up? Told you we are going to get it in early today. Let me bring up the vid. I still got to tag 2 people that didn't let me invite to the video, but everyone else should be here. Invited everyone else to the vid. We'll do a rundown of draft order, and then we'll get started. Probably be a pretty quick break. 2 boxes, 16 cards, and then I'll make a separate post with all the picks, and you guys can draft away. Oh, your post is going live right now, Jeff? I'm sorry, man. Didn't even realize it. I apologize, Jeff. Didn't know, man. I think everyone is in here. How's everybody doing today? Jeff, do you want me to wait a few minutes, man? You need me to wait, Jeff? I didn't even think about your claim post, man. I apologize. That's on me. It's my fault. I didn't see anyone making any trades this time. I had lots of trades in the 2021. No one making any trades in the 2019 one. A lot of people taking the 2 for option, so not that many people in the break. And our big winner is Jordan Wheatley with the number 1 spot. So here's our draft order from 1st to 16th. Jordan Wheatley with the 1 spot. Lee Guest with the 2 spot. Bob Huffnell with the 3 spot. Austin Vea with the 4 spot. Tyrone Moreno at the 5 spot. Bob Huffnell 6. Jock 7. Jeff Milron back-to-back 8 and 9. Patrick Dolan with KC's Finest at 10. Jeff Nichols 11. Tyrone again at 12. Curry Ahouse at 13. Chris Van Kuren at 14. Jock at 15. And Patrick Dolan again at 16. Are you guys ready? You guys ready to go? I see 23 people watching. There's only like 10 in the break. I think everyone that's in the break is watching. Are you guys ready to go? Are you ready? Give me some OKs and we'll get started. I said there's not a lot of people in here, so I want to make sure everyone that's involved is able to watch. So I see Jock watching. I see Bob watching. Jeff Nichols is watching now. I don't see Jordan in here. Let me tag him again. There we go. Tyrone's ready. Come on, everybody else ready? Who else is in here? It's a pretty big break. I mean, I don't want to break unless you guys are in here. Jeff Nichols, I see you watching, brother. You ready? Bob Huffnell, you ready? Jock, you ready? Get Patrick Dolan in here. Michael, the buy-in was $165 on this one. Jock's ready. Jordan, you got the number 1. We gotta get Jordan in here. He's got the number 1 spot, man. Where's he at? Let's see if I can't get some of these other people in here. Alright. I mean, I see. This is a hit draft, Brandon. So there's 8 cards in each box, so we got 16 total cards. You pick a spot, it was a straight fill, so you get 1 or 2 spots, however many you want to buy, and then we random the list, and whoever finished first, they get the first pick of any card in the break. Whoever finished second gets the get pick from the rest, and so forth. All right, here we go. We're gonna get started. I'm still trying to get some people in here, but I want to get everybody else. I would love everyone to be in here. Here we go. This is 2019. That's right, hit draft break. We're going to start at the bottom. I believe the bottom is the relics. All right, good luck, guys. Here we go. We got a Dellin Betances, green to 15. Green to 15 for the Yankees. We got a Betances. Penny sleeve in the corner. There we go. Betances, that is 7 of 15. There we go, Jordan. Here we go. Number 1 pick for Jordan. All right. Betances, 15. Nice patch. All right, we got a... Ooh, that's another one to 15, but look at the patchwork on that one. 13 of 15 with some patchwork on that one. Where's my stands at? Look at the patch on that for the Cubbies. 13 of 15. Man, that's a nice patch. Wow. You'd think that would be better numbered than 15. All right. The gold, Paul Goldschmidt, 2 of 30. This card is so heavy. 2 of 30, Paul Goldschmidt. All right. We got John Smoltz, 49 of 50. Relic auto, John Smoltz. 49 of 50. What's going on, Tony? Ooh, 11 of 35. Dual auto, Smoltz and Fred McGriff. Smoltz and Fred McGriff, dual auto relic, 11 of 35. Jumbo relic auto, 42 of 50. George Springer. Curry, what's going on, brother? George Springer, 42 of 50. Jumbo relic auto. 10 of 50 on the Nomar Garciaparra. We hit him in 2020 the other night. There we go. 10 of 50 Nomar. You're always working, Tony. You ever get time off? And rookie auto. Is that rookie auto? I don't see the rookie symbol, actually. So, nope. But Chance Adams. Chance Adams auto to 50. The buy-in on this was $165, Tony. $165 gets you 1 spot. And it's a 2-boxer, so that's the first box. Hit 2 Smoltz autos, including the dual, and the sick J-Hay patch. Alright, this is it. Second box. Yeah, we need something big for Jordan to take with the 1 spot. Alright, we're going to start with the relics. Oh, 4 of 5 Jose Abreu patches. See, I would have thought the Hayward would have been lower numbered than 15 with the patch that it had. Jose Abreu, 4 of 5. Monday's your itching time. What are you itching for, Bowman? And we have a 38 of 50 Correa. Carlos Correa, 38 of 50. Alright, on to the autos. We're going to start with a Wade Boggs, green to 10. Green, 2 of 10, Wade Boggs. I do not have a full case of Bowman, man. All I have is mixer stuff. Wade Boggs, 2 of 10. I got a lot of mixer stuff, but yeah, that's all I got is mixer stuff right now. All right. Jumbo Relic Auto, Javi Baez to 50. Jumbo Javi Baez. 20 of 50. Second Cubs hit. Second big Cubs hit. Got another duel coming. Andrew Jones, Ozzie Albies, 27 of 35. 27 of 35, Andrew Jones, Ozzie Albies. Sorry, Scott, man, it was posted for a few hours, brother. 27 of 35, Andrew Jones, Ozzie Albies. Braves were crushing in this one. Oh, this is a nice one. Bob Gibson, 20 of 25. That is nice. Bob Gibson, 20 of 25. That is sick. Alright, we got 2 more. Kyle Tucker, 47 of 50. Rookie auto. Rookie auto. It doesn't say rookie on these. Yeah, it says definitive rookie autograph on the back. But I don't see a rookie card logo on the front. That's the same as the setup on the Adams, which says rookie too. So, Kyle Tucker, 47 of 50. So Tony, I was unable to get it through the Topps website. I tried all 3 days, but I found someone that got a bunch on the Topps website, and I bought some off him. Yeah, so right now we got a lot of big hits, a lot of good hits, but we need that like 1 of 1 that we had in the first break. And this is our last card. Freddie Freeman, 3 times All-Star Inscription. Inscription auto, 15 of 25. Man, the Braves really crushed it. Really crushed it. 15 of 25. We would have done a pick your team. They would have killed it. All right. Yeah, I mean, I think a lot of good stuff in here. So, base relics. The Correa to 50. Abreu, 4 of 5. And a Betances, 7 of 15. Autos, we have the Kyle Tucker, rookie to 50. The Ozzie Albies, Andrew Jones, 27 of 35. Chance Adams, 8 of 50. Nomar, 10 of 50, relic auto. Springer, 42 of 50, jumbo relic auto. Then we're going to go with the Paul Goldschmidt, gold auto, 2 of 30. We'll go with the sick Jason Hayward patch, 13 of 15. I was just watching the MLB The Show Players League, and Jason Hayward was crushing it for Ian Happ. Next, I'll go with the Javi Baez, 20 of 50, jumbo relic auto. Then I'll go with the inscription, Freddie Freeman, 3-time All-Star, 15 of 25 auto. Fourth, we'll go with the Johnny Smoltz, 49 of 50 relic auto. Then we'll go with the Smoltz Fred McGriff, dual auto, dual relic, 11 of 35. Number 2, we're going to go with the relic auto Wade Boggs. And the gold Bob Gibson, 20 of 25. Alright, this definitive stuff is nasty, guys. Nasty stuff. Nothing you're excited about, Jordan. I mean, I know we didn't hit that big 1 of 1 like we did in the 2020 break. But man, a lot of good stuff in there. You get your pick, or you can sell your spot, Jordan. If you don't want it, you can sell your spot, trade your spot, or pick. It's up to you. I'm going to take pics of everything right now, and I'll create a separate post so you guys can start drafting. But yeah, still feel free to still sell, trade your picks if you want, guys. All right, enjoy the rest of your weekend.